If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Lux in granite crystal. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number P8253.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.